The issue of separate property comes up constantly in the cases that I handle in any event. It's one of the first things I want to talk about when I first interview the client, whether there's any claims of separate property. This state is going to default to community property unless you can really prove that you've got separate property, and that becomes a big task. Unlike a lot of states, we do not have a rigid 50-50 property distribution. The court can distribute the property in any manner that it wants. And certainly separate property on with one party is going to make a difference in how the division goes. In fact, in this state, in Washington, the court can actually take some of the separate property and give it to the other party if it thinks that that's what's necessary. So in some cases, you have almost no community property because the couple's been living off of the separate property of the other party. Well, in that kind of case, when you get to the end of it, there's a good likelihood that some of that separate property is going to be awarded to the other spouse. So that can be done if it's necessary, and the court takes all those things into consideration.